The following video didn't go as intended. Please watch to the end for a safety announcement that could save your camera. I've just come from the doctor's. Yeah, look at this. That is a broken arm. Yeah, I was actually on my way to make a video on Saturday and had a crash with my scooter. Totally crazy. I was just going along a straight line, hit something on the floor was uneven and crashed. So my YouTube production for Saturday was halted, shall we say. But today I'm just going from the doctor's and I'm going to go and pick up my X-Pro2. The card slot one, they've got an error, no SD card, and I've taken it to the repairers. So now I'm going to walk from the doctor's to the repairers and hopefully get some shots along the way. It's just you, me and the GR3. Let's go. I've always thought this to be a cool building. Obviously a temple. Yeah. Coconuts. Hello. Oh. Oh, just a little.
Hello.
谢谢你，谢谢。
你也会讲国语？
一点点，一点点。He actually gave me 4 cups of the coconut milk, which was pretty amazing. This thing got a shot low down, lowish. As low as I can bend with my knee. That thing looks like it's wrapped up like a gift. This is a typical food street. So when I walk around I always look for details as well, you know, like this one. I'm going to call this one Escape. Hey, I'm at the camera repair store and here's my X-Pro2, which had the faulty SD card reader. So they've done a great job here. They've repaired the card reader and they've also cleaned the sensor, and it was a really fast service, maybe 3 or 4 days. So I'm really happy with their job. If you need a repair and you're in Taiwan, in Kaohsiung, the link will be in the description below, so check it out. I was happy to get the X-Pro2 back and start using it again. However, this joy, as you will soon see, was short-lived. Oh no, you bitch! He didn't fasten it on very tight, did he? That was the first time that I've dropped a camera, or in this case I didn't actually drop it, but it fell from my bag. So yeah, it got dropped on the floor, you know. And if you drop one, you know the sinking feeling you have inside. So I picked it up and I looked at it, and you know, there was absolutely no damage to it whatsoever. The lens is fine, the hood is fine. I couldn't even see where it actually landed. It wasn't until I came to change the battery that I saw the little bit of damage that it had done, and it was this battery lid. When it opened, it was catching a little bit when it opened. So I went back to the repair store, showed him the video actually of it falling, and yeah, he fixed it. So now it's back to being perfect again. So the safety announcement is, if you use one of these clips to keep your camera on your backpack or on a strap or your belt, make sure that this is tight, because this was the reason it fell. The guy in the store, he actually reinstalled this plate on the bottom of the camera, and he obviously didn't tighten it enough. So if you've got one of these plates on, check it, get a wrench and just make sure that it's tight. Yeah, because you don't want the same thing to happen to you that happened to me. Guys, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you got value from the video, and of course support the channel by buying me a coffee. That would be wonderful. There's a link in the description below, and there's a link also to the camera repair store in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. A fantastic service. See you in the next one. Bye.